Let's say you want to create and rearrange artboards. Click on artboards in the lower left corner. Then from here, you can add an artboard by clicking the plus icon, and it will create a blank artboard for you to design. To delete an artboard, go to the three dots and click delete, and then click delete. You can also add an artboard by going to templates in the left side menu and clicking it. From here, you can search through all of our templates. You can also search for a specific theme or idea by going to the search bar and typing in the word that you want to search. From here, you can find social media, advertising, and more. And you can click View All to see more. Scroll through, and when you find what you like, click on it, and it will be added to your artboards. To rearrange your artboards, go to these dots in the right side menu and click Arrange Artboards. From here, you can click and drag to change the order of your artboards. You can also click the plus sign to add an artboard. And you can click the X or the minimize so you can see your artboards below. To duplicate an artboard, click the three dots and click Duplicate. Sign up for free on Simplified.co to start creating and rearranging artboards. See you there!